Hey everybody, this is Chintua, your happiness specialist. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the trick to multiple sources of income. The trick to multiple sources of income. By the end of this video, you will learn that it's not really a trick in order to make money from different sources of income or multiple sources of income. When most people hear, let's forget most people. As you're watching this video, what is your understanding of multiple sources of income? I'm going to share with you my understanding, and by the end of the video, you'll also have a better understanding. Having multiple sources of income doesn't mean, going to different jobs and earning money based on, excuse me, the time that you put in two different jobs. Multiple sources of income basically involves either one, your day job, another source, say online, offline business that brings you money effortlessly, whether or not you are there. Okay, so you could have three sources or two sources, one being your job and another one something that you do on your own, something that you would have to put some effort in, something that you're working for yourself at, something that you're working for yourself, that you don't have a boss that's looking over you. You don't have anybody telling you what to do. You don't have anybody telling you when to come, when to go. All right. So that's what having multiple sources of income mean. But the trick to it is, in order for it to work for you, you would have to spend quality time in those multiple sources of income. And how that works is you have to start with one source, work at it, perfect it, make sure that it's running seamlessly with or without your effort, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, or 24/7. Okay? And then once you have that done, move on to the next one that you like. Do the same thing. It's like wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, repeat. But never leave one source of income and move on to the next one without perfecting the first one. All right, you'll have to perfect that first one, make sure that it works, make sure it's paying you before you move on to the next one. Because if you don't do that, you'll have two things or three things that you're working on, getting frustrated, not getting any results, wasting your time, wasting your money, and having nothing come in. All right, so that's basically what having multiple sources of income means. You'll have to perfect one, make sure it's working, make sure it's bringing you income, whether you're sleeping, whether you're playing games, whether you're working at your regular job that is bringing you income. And then you may have another one that's doing the same thing. But before you move on to that second one, make sure that the first one is working seamlessly. All right, so that's my video for you today. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of what it means to have multiple sources of income, that it's not working 2 or 3 day jobs. It's working maybe one day job and then having 1 or 2 other sources that doesn't require you to go somewhere and sit down and spend hours, working on something. It would have to be something that you're working on for yourself. All right, so I appreciate you watching. Until the next video, this is Chintua, your happiness specialist. And before I go, this is what I want you to do. There's going to be a link below the description of this video. I want you to click on it. I want you to follow every bit of information that's on there. That could be one source of income that may be available to you wherever you are in the world. I don't know whether or not it's for you, but if it is for you, click on it, check it out, and get started as another source of income on top of what you're doing right now without interfering with what you're currently doing. All right, I appreciate you watching. Until the next video, this is Chintua, your happiness specialist. Take care. Bye for now.